Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and potatoes. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large russet potatoes and a thick-cut steak, ideally 1.5 inches thick. You'll also need olive oil, butter, garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. Proper preparation is key to a delicious meal, so ensure everything is ready before you begin cooking. This method guarantees a perfect result every time. Now, let's get those potatoes cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut your russet potatoes into 1-inch cubes for even cooking. Toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a generous pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast for about 30 to 40 minutes, flipping halfway through for golden perfection. While the potatoes roast, prepare your steak. Pat it completely dry with paper towels and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Sear the steak for 2 minutes per side for a beautiful crust. Then, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of smashed garlic, and a sprig of rosemary. Continue basting the steak with the melted butter and aromatics for about 1 minute, ensuring it's coated in flavor. For a medium-rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the steak to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Slice against the grain and serve immediately with your crispy potatoes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.